Are you ready to transform your trading game and hit the 25K mark? Let's dive in. Starting Monday, September 16th, we're launching the $10,500 to 25K Small Account Challenge. This is your golden opportunity to supercharge your trading skills and grow your account like never before. Imagine achieving 25K in just 1 to 2 months. With a mix of short swing trades, overnights, and momentum plays, you'll be guided every step of the way with entries, exits, levels, and charts. Think of it as your trading boot camp, designed to push and expand your limits. Even with just $2,500, we'll unlock a strategy to give you up to 15-day trades within a 5-day period. And if you have less, no worries. The goal is to 10x your account. So, are you ready to step up to the challenge and elevate your trading game? If you have questions, reach out. Let's go! Check out our monthly, yearly, and lifetime plans and sign up now. Links in the description. Don't miss out.